Okay, I'm recording my vlog for today, and oh my gosh, I don't want to say exactly where I live because I feel like I can't do that, like, because it's the internet or whatever, but oh my gosh, it's windy, really windy over here, and you can hear it. Like, we passed, when I was so glad my dad picked me up from the bus stop, because I was worried that I would have to come home and I would have to stand there in the wind while my dad would open the door because I also forgot my keys. But, oh my gosh, it's windy! I'm scared that the power's gonna go out or something. Like, later tonight. Or if something like that's gonna happen. But, the school said that no after school activities, so no math I can, no hanging with Hurley, nothing. So, and that if the weather continues tomorrow, that we're gonna have to cancel school tomorrow. But yeah, that's for like the district, the entire district, so that's like a lot of schools. I remember they said like Eastern Washington was had canceled like all the school classes, the classes like Eastern Washington University. I heard that like they like canceled school for an entire day, so all the kids had to stay in their dorms, in their apartments or whatever. So yeah, and then, but oh my gosh, this wind though. It reminds me of the one day, like it was like a year ago, and we were out camping for like a Girl Scout troop thing. And like there was a thunderstorm that happened, and like nothing happened because well, we weren't in town. Since we weren't in town, we were in like around like some lake, and they had like camping stuff and like fishing things there, and like an RV park or whatever. But there was a thunderstorm and nothing bad really happened. Nothing bad happened to us, but when we came back, we read all the news stuff and whatever. I don't want to go out. It's too scary out there, out in the wind. Out in the wind. I don't want to get out, but I have to get out, or else I have to get out in the garage, and I have to get out either way. Well, I'm not gonna stay out there for any extra time that I don't have to. Oh my god, what the fuck? In the house? The garage door freaking bent down, I think. A pile of leaves. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, wind. I'm out. See ya. I'm out. Hey. Oh. I'm out. I think he's having some trouble with the garage door. You okay? Is the garage gonna be fine? Oh, he's just gonna park only. Yeah, he's just gonna park only because the garage doesn't want to work because of the wind. Oh, can I come with you? Yeah. Sorry, I just don't want to see you get blown away by the wind. And if it ever does blow you away, at least I know that it was the wind that carried you to Oz and not, like, drugs or whatever. So that if the wind carries you away and I have to file a missing report or something, then everyone will know that it will be because of the wind.
What's that idea?
Of two.
What's that?
What? What is that?
Jacket?
Yeah, probably. Don't touch it! It's probably like something weird. Can I take the nail? Ah! My hair! It got stuck in tree. A tree.
Holy moly.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Grab it. Oh, what? It doesn't matter. It was junk mail anyways. Oh well. Got this. You like my backpack?
I love your backpack.
Yep.
There's a car behind us.
When are we gonna do that that car paint for my model?
I don't know. Not tonight, that's for sure. You don't want to do it when it's windy.
Yeah, obviously not. But if we do it, then we're gonna have to keep it outside, right?
Yeah, okay.
On the, for like about.
Just to take some trash out. You want me to?
Yes, you do it. Okay. Yeah.
Well, shit could be flying around in the air. You can't just walk outside.
Mhm. Exactly. A lot of mail though. Wait, what? I locked it? Sorry.
Yeah, don't take that because it's funny to see it. So we have to bring it back inside.
What?
Well, shit could be flying around in the air, Ryan. It can hit you in the head. Are we bringing that back inside?
No, I'm taking it in a minute, but I mean, give me something else to take with it.
Oh, well, it's dangerous out there. The fucking shit's coming off the building. You guys want to be
Fucking garage, go